just had Walter.live, and I understand it was a huge success.
Yes, very, very good, very positive. Never quite sure what you're going to expect from these digitalised events and live events, but the response rate was fantastic. Some very, very important and exciting announcements made from Walter with regards to products, both physical and digital.
And for the people that didn't tune in, can you give them a little tease of what was on offer and when they can find out more here in the UK?
Yes, definitely. Partnership with yourselves, MTDCNC on the 1st of October, so we're really looking forward to that. Added to that, we'll also have our expertise from the UK. Walter GB will be there as well to answer any questions. What we really say this event is about is digitalisation, but not just the product side. These are the solutions that we have as well. So really looking forward to taking through people that maybe missed the first live event from a German perspective, but also are now resident in the UK and ready to see what we can showcase in the UK.